G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? I'm starting another bathroom today. It's already been waterproofed, and I must say he's done a meticulous job, if that's the word for it. He likes to be nice and straight and level in his lines. I'm not quite like that. I'm all over the place, and it doesn't really matter if I go a little bit further out or a little bit higher, but it's all good. I'm starting my primer sealer because you see this? See my hand there? See the dust? Nothing sticks to dust. There's a clean hand and a dusty hand. So when I put on my sealer, you know that the glue will stick. Be a little bit careful, Chriso, because don't want to splash it in the bath. I need to get a clean drop sheet for that bath, which I will when I go to the hardware. I'll get a clean. All my drop sheets at the moment are a bit grotty and dusty and dirty. I need to get a clean one so I can protect the bath. It's a brand new bath. I'm putting a primer over the waterproof. Just rub that off. I'm also making, I'm doing the architraves in this place as well. So they're a bigger profile because a 10mm architrave is no good. Always in a strip out like this, you get dust. And it must be sealed like I'm doing. The cornice is going to be a new cornice going back around the top, so that's cool. I can cut all my tiles the same, which is good. I'm going to use this architrave. It's from another job, but the lady of the house is happy for me to use that profile. It doesn't take much to do. I'll go away today and sort out my bags of mud, get them sorted, pick up my trolley so I can bring them around. Bring the bags around so I can mix them up. I can see my roller disturbing dust as I roll this primer on. This stuff glues it all together. When you wipe down your walls, it's never the same, because you're wiping like it's sponge and water to wipe down your walls. It's not really the right thing to do, because what happens is your sponge is picking up the dust and you just, all you're doing is spreading it. This is the bee's knees, because you're not spreading any dust. You're gluing it all to the wall. So I've got to pick up a length of silver aluminium for up that corner. I can see the dust coming off my roller. Incredible. Tell your mum. Amazing. If I wouldn't have done this, you guys, if I wouldn't have done this, all the tiles, they're just sticking to dust. So they would end up not sticking to the wall. You know, it's a no-brainer. Not much to it. There you go. I want to do the floor yet, because there's